Alright, so we're going to go over some patterns today. We learned about a few in class yesterday, and we're going to go dig a little deeper today. So, can someone explain to me what a pattern is?
A pattern is something that deals with shapes and circles.
So, yes, you're exactly right. It can deal with shapes. What else can it deal with?
Numbers.
Numbers! Alright, so can someone just give me a simple pattern that they remember from yesterday? A nice simple pattern. Just have 4 different objects in it.
A triangle, square, square, triangle.
Right, that is a very good pattern. So, what Zach showed us is we have a triangle, square, square, triangle. This is what he showed us. That is one nice simple pattern. Now today we're going to go a little in depth and we're going to add numbers. So, you guys remember counting by 2s, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's count by 2s and write down until we get to the number 24.
Okay.
2,
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24.
Perfect. So now we've counted all the way to 24. Now, some people are going to be tricky, and patterns will show up on your thing like this. I'll give you guys an example. And I'm going to want you to fill in the blanks. We have 2, 4, blank, blank, 10. Does someone know what to put in those blanks?
I do.
Yes? What did you get?
I got 2, 4, I would think 6, 8, and 10.
Yes, so if you get a problem like this, you're really just counting by
2s.
2s. Perfect. So, what number should we count by next? Give me a hard one, Zach. What number do you think our 3rd grade class should count by today?
4s.
4s. All right. So let me give you guys one to do. All right. Now we don't have a cheat sheet this time because we didn't count by 4s on top. So what do you think would be in these spots? Since I told you, or Zach told us, that we're counting by 4s today, what would be in those 2 blanks?
12.
Yep.
And then 16.
16. Yeah, beautiful. So, now I'm going to make one, and I'm not going to tell you what we're counting by.
Okay.
I want all of you to write this on your paper. The one. I give you. You're going to write this whole problem on your paper.
5, 10, blank space, 25, blank space.
Now fill in the spaces for me, and then I would like you to tell me what we're counting by.
Okay. We are counting by 5s.
Perfect. Now that we understand how we figure out what we're counting by, I want to do another problem with you guys, but we're going to add in charts. Can someone show me on their paper what a chart might be? What does a chart look like if you think of the word chart? Zach showed us a very good chart. So if we were to draw a chart, Zach showed us something like this. put a few numbers in this chart, but let's first have you guys put in 2s. So if we're going by 2s, we'll put on the top 2s. Let's all make our own little chart. Tell me what would go on one side, left side, and what would go on the right side.
2.
Mm-hmm.
4.
Mm-hmm.
6. 8. 10. 12. 14. 16.
Great. So what are we doing when we go from 2 to 4?
Adding 2.
And are we doing that for each one?
Yes.
Perfect. So now, if I did something a little more complicated. We're going to do 2, 5, 8, and 10. I'll give you a few steps. There'll be 2 to 7, 5 to 16, and 8 to 25. Okay, how many are we going if we go from 2 to 7?
5.
How many are we going from 5 to 16?
11. No. 6. 10.
11.
11.
11 is correct.
Okay.
Alright, and how about 8 to 25?
17.
Sure, I really don't.
17.
Okay. Now, if we look at this problem, we see that we're going 5, then 11, then 17. What kind of numbers are these?
Odd.
Odd numbers. All right. So, we're going to need to figure out the next number. I want you all to take 5 minutes and try to figure out the next number. Alright, so you guys took your 5 minutes, and anyone figure out what the last number would be with number 10? As we figured out, these are all even. All odd numbers. So what would this number be down here?
Oh, yes. 33.
33. Zach, I would like you to tell us how you would get that 33.
I got the 33 because you're adding each section 6 by 6.
So 5 to 11 is 6.
Yep.
11 to 17 is...
6.
So what's 17 plus 6?
23.
23. So then where did you get the 33?
Because you added 23 to 10.
And we got the 33. Nice work. So we worked on patterns, and I used patterns that I found on our PowerPoint. And that is what I did for my lesson.